Keeping a clean home can be good for your health, but if your cleaning products are toxic, is it really healthy? This month they have a special promotion for the first 5 people who sign up with their premium starter kit. However, some of you may not be interested in the oils that I talk about. There are other ways you can get started with Young Living if oils aren't your thing. Maybe you're interested in trying to clean your house with some chemical-free, plant-based cleaning products. You can get started just as easily with a premium starter kit, Thieves Edition, which is their cleaning line. If you've heard anybody talk about their cleaning line, it is so phenomenal. A lot of the cleaning products that we have in our house have an enormous amount of chemicals in them, which is why a lot of them kill a lot of different germs and that kind of stuff, which is the goal. But is there an easier way to do that without all the harsh chemicals? Yes. In fact, when we first got our puppy, he was being crate trained and he had a couple accidents in his crate. So naturally, we reached for some really popular cleaning wipes. We wiped down his crate and he slept in it that night, and he actually woke up with a bunch of hives on his stomach. And so, was it actually cleaning or... So after we cleaned his crate, yeah, we never used that again. I am totally not here to bash any other companies, but here are some chemicals that are found in a ton of our cleaning products. I'm only going to go over 3, but there are so many. I encourage you to take a look at yourself at the cleaning products that you have in your house and do some research on them. See what you think. The first chemical that I did some research on was called phthalates. Some phthalates are used as dissolving agents in soaps, hairspray, detergents, shampoos, automotive plastics, adhesives, so a lot of different things. It acts as a dissolving agent. So the health aspect of it, the CDC says that phthalates have actually affected the reproductive systems of some lab animals, which I know not everybody is about, testing products on lab or on animals, that kind of stuff, but they do. And that's what they found, is that it actually affects the lab animals' reproductive systems. So all of the facts that I link, or all of the facts that I use, I will link somewhere below so that you can look for yourself and see how very true all these nasty chemical facts are. All right, so the next chemical that I found in some cleaning products, really popular ones, was called 2-butoxyethanol. Not sure if I pronounced that right, but I looked it up on how to pronounce it, so hopefully that's right. So the Environmental Working Group says that 2-butoxyethanol is a solvent and it can be absorbed through the skin. It can also have effect on your red blood cells and can irritate the eyes. Some cleaners have a blend called ethoxylate surfactants, and those are actually, some of them are banned in the European Union. So some chemicals that we have in our cleaning products are actually banned in other countries. The third chemical that I found that was in quite a few of our popular cleaning products was called DEGBE. It has some scientific name, but you can look that up. It's really long and I don't know how to pronounce it. So, according to the Environmental Working Group, a really popular, I'm not going to name names, really popular bathroom/toilet cleaning cleaner has 10% of DEGBE. Okay, 10%. Remember that number. This solvent is banned in the European Union for any concentrates that are at 3% or more in aerosol cleaners. The one that I'm talking about has 10%. So in the European Union, they ban anything over 3%. I have really great news though. Young Living has an entire cleaning line that is completely plant-based and chemical-free. I can guarantee you that anybody that you talk to that has the Thieves Cleaning line or the Thieves Cleaning products can say the same thing, but these things really do work. Like I said, they're plant-based and they can clean like everything. They have a toothpaste, they have mouthwash, they have an all-purpose cleaner, laundry detergent. Everything is so clean and organic and plant-based, and you don't have to worry about toxic exposure. You can really feel good about cleaning your house, knowing that it's doing what it's supposed to do, but not hurting your family while it's doing that. So here's what the kit includes. It's amazing. One 15 milliliter bottle of Thieves. The Thieves essential oil is an amazing combination of clove, cinnamon, lemon, eucalyptus radiata, and rosemary. You can add the Thieves essential oil to your dishwasher and your dishwater and that kind of thing, and you can ensure that your dishes will be clean and will eliminate odor. Next is the Thieves Aroma Bright toothpaste. This stuff is so amazing. If you do end up getting into oils, one that I would recommend with this would be the Orange Vitality. Young Living has a Vitality line, which means that it is approved by the FDA to ingest. We can get into that later if anybody has questions about that. But if you get this kit, when you get this kit, you will get this toothpaste, and you can add a little drop of orange onto your toothbrush with this toothpaste, and it acts as a natural whitener. This kit also comes with Thieves mouthwash, 2 Thieves cleaning concentrate bottles. This is a steal. So what's really great about the Thieves concentrate is that it's a concentrate. So you get 2 bottles of these, and you basically take just the capful. You put 1 capful or 2, however concentrated you want it. Put that into a spray bottle. You can add oils to it if you want to change the smell a little bit, but these bottles last forever. And I think what I read is it comes down to about $1 per bottle when you make it into a spray bottle. So you have 2 of these concentrates that come with the kit. So that means you don't have to go to the store and buy any all-purpose cleaners for a long time. It also comes with 2 Thieves hand soaps, 2 Thieves spray, which these are phenomenal during itchy throat times of the year. You can just spray those in the back of your throat, get some pretty good relief. 2 Thieves waterless hand purifiers. Take those on the go with you before dinner, after you go to the bathroom, that kind of stuff. Good to go. 1 5 milliliter bottle of Stress Away, which is my whole life. If you've known me for any short period of time, this has helped me through a lot of emotional and mental things, and you get that with your kit. It also comes with a little roller attachment, which you can add to. Basically what it does is you can add the little roller ball on top of this. You can take it with you, put that Stress Away all over you on the go. Seriously, really great. You will also get a 1 ounce sample of the Thieves cleaner. So if you are loving your Thieves concentrate and you're just like want to share it with the world, then you can hand that 1 ounce to someone else and share that, because so many people need this cleaner. You'll also get 2 samples of these Ningxia Red super high antioxidant drinks, free radical fighting, amazing drinks. They have essential oils in them, and they are basically made of wolfberries, which is out of Ningxia, China. I'll do another video on that. So these are going to be so good. What you'll want to do with these is you're going to want to put these straight into the fridge when you get your kit, because they don't taste very good warm. So get your kit, put these straight into the refrigerator, and you're good to go. This kit also comes with so much more, but when you get your kit, you will automatically become a member of Young Living. Don't be scared of that thought of being a member of something. You can cancel at any time. However, I would not recommend that, because when you are a member with Young Living, you will get 24% off the entire site. Yeah. So what's the catch of being a Young Living member? So in order to keep your membership, you're just required to spend $50 on products in 1 year. 1 calendar year, not per month, just 1 year. And I can guarantee you that once you try out these cleaning products, you're gonna just wanna basically just ditch and switch. And what I do is I will just purchase my cleaning products on Young Living rather than going to the store. So I need cleaning products, but these cleaning products last so long. They work so well. And so when I need products, my cleaning products, I'll just order them from Young Living instead of going to the store. So that's really how it works for me. all in all, it's really easy to spend $50 in 1 calendar year. We'll also gain access to just a huge oil-loving family. People who are going to want to help you. Me, I want to help you. This stuff, I just want to tell, honestly, it's something that you just don't know until you try it type of thing. But there's no going back for me. So it's changed my life. It's changed how I look at my life and the things that I want to put in my body and bring into my home. Any questions that you have, please let me know. But let's get to the best part. So all those things that I just explained to you for only $160. Here's what I'm offering this month. So I will be offering a $15 cash back for the first 5 people who purchase their kit. You can either get the oils kit or you can get this thieves kit. So $15 cash back plus another oil, which is one of my favorite oils, and that is a grapefruit oil, grapefruit vitality oil, which means you can put it in your water, kickstart that metabolism. It is so yummy and very potent, so you only need a couple drops. So $15 cash back plus a free oil plus a membership to this amazing company plus chemical-free products. It is just a steal. This will go by fast, so make sure that you message me, comment below. You need to get your hands on this. Don't be one of those 6th, 7th, 8th people. Be in the first 5. Get your kit. So you guys, don't miss out. Do yourself, do your family, do your pets, everybody a favor. Get yourself some of this chemical-free cleaning stuff at an extremely discounted price. This is well over $250 value. You will be getting it for $160 plus a $15 cash back and a free oil. So please jump on it. Do it. You need this. You got this. Let's do this together. Chemical-free living. Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.